Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'll teach you how you can potentially look into someone's private inventory. Now first what we're going to do, we're going to go into roblox.com and we're going to search for someone. Let's just search for a random name, just search for Kang here and go to Kang in people. And let's just choose this guy right here. Now when you press the three dots here, you can see inventory, and then as you can see here we cannot see his inventory or animations. Might be because it is private. Now if we go back to the profile here, and we can see he has skins on, which means he has something. So we can go down here and we can press favorites, and then all of us into accessories, and then all of a sudden we can see something. This is because a lot of people like to hide their skins, and this is how you can watch something he might have privated in his inventory, because usually they own the things. Now we can see his items here for his face. Let's just go back and see, can we spot them? And yes, we can. We can see the glasses and the black head. And that's how you see someone's private things in their inventory. Now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.